For the applications, tangent and normals, the function f of x, if the function f of x has a finite derivative f prime x sub 0 at x is equal to x sub 0, the curve y is equal to f of x has a tangent at p sub 0, x sub 0, and y sub 0, whose slope is m is equal to tangent theta, which is equal to f prime x sub 0. If m, which is the slope, is equal to 0, the curve has a horizontal tangent of equation y is equal to y sub 0 at p0 as at a and c and e of the figure. This one, for the figure, we have origin y, x, this one is from Chom's differential equation, differential calculus. It's for E. This one is for C. Okay. And D. Okay, at A, C, and E. Otherwise, the equation of the tangent is, formula, we have y minus y sub 0 is equal to f prime x sub 0 times quantity x minus x sub 0. But remember, your f prime x sub 0 is also equal to, x sub 0 is equal to m x minus x sub 0. If f of x is continuous at x equal to x sub 0, but with the limit f prime x is equal to infinity, f prime x is equal to the infinity, the curve has a vertical tangent of equation x is equal to x sub 0 as at B and D. Okay, the normal curve at one of its point is the line which passes through the point and is perpendicular to the tangent at the point. The equation of the normal at p sub 0, x sub 0 is y minus y sub 0 is equal to negative 1 over m x minus x sub 0. This one is under the normal, while this one is under the tangent. This one is for the normal. Okay, let us try to solve an example. Example. We find the equation. Equations of tangent and normal to the curve y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus plus 2 at x sub 0 is equal to 1. Okay, first solve for y sub 0, given the value of x sub 0 is equal to 1. Find for y sub 0. Okay, remember using the given equation, your y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2 substitute your x sub 0 to get for the value of y sub 0. Y sub 0 is equal to 2x sub 0 cubed minus 4x sub 0 squared plus 2. Okay. Therefore, substitute x sub 0 is equal to 1. Therefore, this one is equal to 2 times 1 cubed minus 4, 1 squared plus 2. We have equal to 2 minus 4 plus 2. Therefore, this one is equal to 0. Your y sub 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, our p sub 0, x sub 0, y sub 0 is 1 and 0. Okay, now we can differentiate the original equation. We have y is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared plus 2. We have y prime or f prime x is equal to 6x squared minus 8x. Okay, substituting your f prime x sub 0 is equal to f prime we have 6 times 1 squared minus 8 times 1 is equal to 6 minus 8, which is equal to negative 2. Okay, therefore, our m is equal to negative 2. Substituting now the values of x sub 0 is equal to 1 and y sub 0 is equal to 0 and m or f prime x sub 0 is equal to negative 2. Therefore, the equation of t is y minus 0 is equal to negative 2 x minus 1. Therefore, y equal to negative 2x plus 2. And we have 2x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. This one now is the equation for the tangent. Okay. Then, now for the normal line, we will have y minus 0 is equal to, since negative 2, therefore the slope will become negative 1 over m. Remember the formula for the tangent. You have y minus y sub 0 is equal to negative 1 over m times x minus x sub 0. Okay, therefore we have equal to negative 1 over negative 2. Then we have x minus 1. Therefore, we have y minus 0 equal to positive 1 half. Negative and negative 1 half x minus 1. Therefore, this one is 2y. We have y equal to 1 half x minus 1. Okay, 2y equal to x minus 1. Okay, or this one is x minus 2y, x minus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This one now is the normal. This one is the tangent.